tell that when it comes to the question of leaking transcripts of telephone conversations, many of them private in nature, the income tax department releases them.
That's my point.
But when it comes to these 26 names, it will become a holy cow.
No, that's my point. You will do and you will work with the low-hanging fruit. You will forgive Mayawati because you know that you have a budget session coming up and you need her support. So all those cases of disproportionate assets will be washed away with alacrity. The reality is, in this country, we are slowly becoming a banana republic where we don't even give a damn about the brazenness with which we inflict injustice both on the system and on ourselves. So what we need is the following. A, as Mahesh rightly said, and I've repeated this often enough, you need people to be sent to jail with the keys thrown away. B, this nonsense must stop that, oh, I will not reveal the names of these 26 people. Shame them. Make an example out of them. You know why? And Mr. and Mrs. Gandhi and Dr. Singh need to do it in order to bring back the trust that this country is slowly losing in all institutions that we are supposed to be governed by.
And we're not even talking about governance deficit here. We're not even talking about governance deficit here.
But Bhupen, people will be brazen enough, and you know what? The poor guy gets caught. The Mayawatis will rule states. Right. The Hassan Alis will. I mean, look at what you've done to Ketan Parekh. Yeah, he's enjoying spa treatments everywhere.
You know, but
after defrauding, we have no issues with white-collar crime in this country.
That's the problem. You know, Mahesh, perhaps is that a problem, Mahesh, that when it comes to dealing with white-collar crime, and that's one that I wanted to make earlier. I mean, you look at two of the biggest scams, for instance, in the recent time. There was a Satyam scam. What has happened to the owner of Satyam?
And he's out of jail, he's out of hospital. Even when he was in jail,
and most
he was fairly comfortable.
And you know, this point, Mahesh, I want you to explain to our viewers about this point. For instance, recently we saw one of the biggest industrialists in the world, the ADAG group, for instance, front page headlines came out that how there was a settlement that had been worked out between Anil Ambani and SEBI. They were barred from trading in the secondary markets. But is that action good enough? Is that the kind of example that you're talking about?
Yeah, no, I don't think that action is good enough. I think that it called for a far more severe penalty than a 50 crore sum. But I don't know the facts of that particular case, so I'm not willing to comment on it. I mean, for prima facie, looking at the bare facts as disclosed in the newspaper reports, I think that settlement was out of order. I mean, I can say that. But, you know, that's only one example. There are thousands of instances where our industrialists have got away with murder. There's no doubt about that. I mean, there has not been a single industrialist in this country who has actually faced his just deserts. From 1982, since you started forging letters of credit right to the present day, you know, industrialists have never got there.
All right.
What has been
let me take a break at this.
But yeah. having said that, Bhupen, the 1500 crores, the real question we should all be focusing right now and not getting sidetracked is there is $1.5 trillion in Swiss banks. The question is, how do we get that back? It doesn't matter who it belongs to. It may belong to corporates. It may belong to politicians. It may belong to bureaucrats. We don't want to, we're not creating an unholy divide over here.
Right.
Whoever it belongs to, the money must be got back, and whoever holds those illegal monies must be prosecuted irrespective of position or status.
Well, all we know is that the Prime Minister today has simply expressed his concerns. Well, let's see where that concern leads us. Step into a short break, continue with the discussion on the other side.